So we used modern day construction. We use level. Make sure you guys schedule your summer vacation and come check out Belize for the year 2026. Just make a note that right now it's summer and also it's wet season. So bring rain gear as you come through and explore. And summer stuff. Pack your sunblock lotion, hats, and those ice coolers for your necks. Hydrate as well. Right. Getting ready to cut that with my snips. This is what I'm gonna use. So back to leveling and plumbing. So you plumb vertical, level horizontal, uh, plumb vertical, level horizontal. Before we use bubble levels, we had plumb bob or plumb line.